Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Today we solve question number 6 and 7 from exercise 20.1. In question number 6, for what value of p and q the roots of quadratic equation x square plus in bracket 2p minus 4c bracket over x minus in small bracket 3q plus 5 bracket over is equal to 0 vanish question mark. Here x is square, it means a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2p minus 4 and c is equal to 3a 3q plus 5. Here is minus because minus in bracket 3q plus 5. Okay. The condition in which roots of the given equation may vanish is b is equal to c and c is equal to 0. We know b is equal to 2p minus 4 in bracket is equal to minus in bracket 3q plus 5 is equal to 0. Now 2p minus 4 is equal to 0 and minus in bracket 3q plus 5 is equal to 0. So 2p is equal to 4. P is equal to 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. That's why P is equal to 2. Minus multiply with bracket. All elements minus 3q and plus 5 convert to minus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 3q is equal to 5. Now q is equal to 5 upon minus 3. Hence P is equal to 2 and Q is equal to minus 5 upon 3 is the value of P and Q where roots of the given equation vanish. Now question number 7. Show that the roots of the quadratic equation given by in bracket x minus a in bracket x minus b plus x minus b in bracket x minus c plus x minus c in bracket x minus a is equal to 0 or real and cannot be equal to unless. So a is equal to b is equal to c. So proof. This is our question. Now first bracket multiply with another bracket. You know that x into x square x into b minus bx and minus a into x minus ax minus minus plus a into b is equal to plus ab. X into x square x into minus c equal to minus cx minus b multiply with this bracket now minus bx and minus minus plus equal to bc. Now here x into x square x multiply with minus a, so x minus a minus ax minus c multiply with x equal to minus cx and minus minus plus c into a minus minus plus ac is equal to 0. Now here is x square, second x square and third x square. So I am right here x square plus x square and plus x square minus bx minus ax minus cx. minus bx minus ax minus cx and my plus ab plus bc plus ac is equal to 0. So addition of x square is equal to 3x square and minus 2bx minus 2ax minus 2cx plus ab minus bc plus ac is equal to 0. You can see here minus bx and minus bx is equal to minus 2bx. Here minus 2bx and minus 2x minus cx. Minus 3x square 2 common and we have b plus c plus a and x. Because in quadratic equation x square's value is a, x value is b and constant value is c. So here is ab plus bc plus ac is equal to 0. Here roots formula delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. We know that b square's value is minus 2 in bracket b plus c plus a bracket over x. Okay, here is x, that's why this is the value of b. Minus 4 and 3 is a value of a and a plus b plus ab plus bc plus ac is c's value. Now here is b square, that's why b square 2 2s are 4 minus minus plus. The whole square formula a plus b plus c is b square plus c square plus a square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca or ac. And 4 multiply with 3 minus 12. Now minus 3 multiply with AB, BC plus AC. So we have minus 3AB minus 3BC minus 3AC. We subtract with minus 3AB to plus 2AB. We get AB. And here 4. 2 multiplied by 2. Now we 2 multiply with this bracket. Okay, here is 2 and this 2 is multiplied with all elements of this bracket. So here is 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square and now minus 2ac because minus 3ab subtract with 2ab we get ab and a minus ab multiply with 2, so answer is minus 2ab and minus 2ac and minus 2bc because minus 2bc and ac also subtract with plus 2bc and 2ac. We get minus ab minus bc minus ac multiply with 2, we get this answer. Now a square plus a square is equal to 2a square, we know that, and b square plus b square equal to 2b square and c square plus c square equal to 2c square. Now we close this in bracket. We know the formula of a square plus 2ab plus b square or a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we write here like this: a square minus 2ac square and plus c square equal to a minus c whole square. So plus and a square minus b square. We know that minus 2ab. That's why we write here sign as minus a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square. Here the roots of the equation are real. The roots are equal when the discriminant equal to 0. So this equation equal to 0. Now this 2 multiply with bracket. So 2 multiply with 0 equal to 0. Now our answer is a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus a minus c whole square is equal to 0. This is our answer. Proof. Hope you understand these questions. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Almighty bless you all. Okay, Allah Hafiz.